In today's video, I'll show you how to add beneficiaries to your Acorns account. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's get straight into it. Now for these steps to add in beneficiaries, you don't need to head over to the app. Instead, open up a web browser and just search for add beneficiary to an Acorns account. Once you search for this, you can see the first article, which is inside of the support section, which says, can I add a beneficiary to my account? So just tap on this option. And if you scroll down, you can see different types of accounts that you can add beneficiaries to. Most of people will add in beneficiaries to the investment account. So just tap on the first option, which says adding a beneficiary to your Invest Acorns account. Now, if you search for this, there are a few things that you need to know before. It says right here, it is not possible to add a beneficiary account to your Acorns checking account, emergency savings, or Acorns Early account. So make sure you keep that in mind. Now, in order to add in a beneficiary, you just need to fill out this form. So just tap on this form link. And this is the form that you need to fill in. Make sure you add in all of the information correctly and also add in digital signatures. Once that step is complete, you need to upload your documents. So the government verified documents so that the other person can be verified. So make sure that this is the information of the beneficiary and not your information. So just tap on the secure documents uploader, sign in to your Acorns account on the web, and then upload your information. You cannot do these steps on the app as there is no option of uploading the documents. If you're using a laptop or a desktop, it would be easier for you. So fill in your credentials, you'll be logged in. You'll be taken to the section where you can upload the documents of the beneficiary. Both of these steps are completed. The last thing you need to do is contact the support team, letting them know that you've uploaded the documents. So just tap on the contact us section and then you can directly chat with them. So that was the process of adding beneficiaries to your Invest account inside of Acorns. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.